Want to know the secrets to healthy, shiny hair? Let's dive deep into the universe of hair care, an exploration that will reveal the secrets to lustrous and beautiful hair. We take you on a journey that's destined to change your perspective on hair health. The voyage will tips, tricks, and advice from professionals who have dedicated their lives to the art of hair care, along with celebrities whose mane you've always admired. This expedition is not just about the destination, but also the learning journey, one that will reveal the route to healthier, shinier hair. Each step of this journey is carefully planned and curated, based on scientific evidence and years of practical experience. The tips you will learn are not just quick fixes, but long-term solutions to achieve stunning and healthy hair. The first epic tip in our journey: hydration. This principle is as vital to your hair as it is to your body. Your hair, just like your body, yearns for moisture not just to survive, but to thrive. Experts in the field of hair care passionately endorse hydrating treatments and nourishing masks. These potent products have a transformative impact on hair. These treatments are designed to replenish the hair's natural moisture levels, ensuring it remains radiant and resilient. Your commitment to this hydration ritual is crucial. Indulge your hair in a weekly hydration ritual. This small act of self-care can have profound effects. It can change how your hair feels and looks, imparting it an enviable glow and strength. So indulge your hair in a weekly hydration ritual and watch as it transforms with added bounce and shine. Moving on to another crucial aspect of hair care: scalp health. The scalp, often overlooked, serves as the birthplace of your hair. It's the fertile ground from where each hair strand springs into existence, mirroring plant roots and they're corresponding in many ways. Akin to how a plant needs fertile soil to grow healthily, your hair requires a well-nourished and well-treated scalp. The importance of scalp health is as paramount as the strands themselves. Understanding this, numerous celebrities that we admire for their lustrous locks pay special attention to scalp care. Stars like Selena Gomez, the pop sensation, and Priyanka Chopra, the Bollywood-turned-Hollywood icon, are known to prioritize scalp care. Their enviable hair texture and growth are an open testimony to the significance of maintaining a healthy scalp. Incorporating a scalp massage into your hair care routine can benefit you in multiple ways. Not just an exercise of luxury or relaxation, it can help stimulate blood flow to your hair follicles, encouraging healthier hair growth. Essential oils, known for their therapeutic properties, can further enhance this experience. Lavender oil has been said to speed up hair growth. Embracing these insights into your routine can make a significant difference over time. It's not just about having good hair today, but ensuring that the health of your hair is sustained over a lifetime. Treat your scalp with the care it deserves, and it will undoubtedly reward you with a head full of healthy hair. Incorporating a scalp massage with essential oils into your routine can significantly improve hair health and growth. Next, we dive deep into the fascinating universe of nutrients. This realm is not just about fruits and vegetables, but it expands into a multiverse of food that benefits the body and, most importantly, your hair. Your hair, similar to a mirror, reflects your diet. It's an expression of what you consume, an indicator of the health of your diet. It's like a diary that records and showcases your eating habits. Indeed, the nature of your hair, its strength, shine, and even growth highly depends on what you ingest. This intimate connection between your food and hair is undeniably strong. When it comes to hair care, gurus and experts from all over the world have one unanimous advice: focus on the nutrients. This means paying particular to the vitamins and minerals you consume on a daily basis. Among these, biotin, vitamin E, and omega fatty acids hold the throne. These are the royal triad of nutrients that your hair just can't get enough of. They are the secret ingredients that make your hair not just look good, but feel good too. So what are the foods that contain these golden nutrients? Think of the creamy avocados, known for their richness in healthy fats and vitamin E. Then, there are eggs, a common staple, laden with biotin, the ultimate hair growth stimulator. And last but not least, we have the humble salmon, the king of fish, packed with omega fatty acids that promote hair health. Incorporate these foods into your diet, and you'll see a remarkable difference in your hair. These nutrients don't just stimulate hair growth, they work like magic, adding a natural, irresistible shine to your hair. These are the secrets of hair care that are now in your hands, so empower your hair with these nutrients and let it reflect the healthiest version of you. But remember, these nutrients are not just for hair growth, they also add a natural shine to your hair. Now let's delve into the world of heat and hair. Heat, specifically when it comes from styling tools, has the potential to create chaos and disaster for your hair. Imagine this. You've spent time meticulously cleaning and conditioning your hair, only to undo all that effort with a heat styling tool. The result? Your beautiful hair turns dry and brittle, losing its moisture, sheen, and elasticity. This is a common yet often overlooked issue that many people face. To understand the gravity of the situation, consider celebrities, the people we often look to for style and beauty inspiration. Jennifer Aniston and Blake, two names that are often associated with style and glamour, are meticulous about their hair care routines. These beauties are known for their stunning hair, which always looks lush, shiny, and full of life. But did you know they limit their use of heat tools to maintain those luscious locks? Yes, that's right. So what's the secret to their fabulous hair? It's simple, really. They allow their hair to air dry as often as possible. This practice not only reduces the potential damage caused by heat, but also allows the hair to regain its natural moisture. It's about embracing the natural beauty hair and allowing it to shine without the help of harsh heat. But what if you're someone who can't give up on styling tools? Well, there's a solution for that too. When you do find the need to use heat tools, always make sure to protect your hair with a heat protectant. This simple step can significantly reduce the damage caused by heat styling tools, allowing you to continue styling your hair without worrying about damaging it. In conclusion, heat can be a friend or a foe to your hair, depending on how you use it. Be aware and be careful, because your hair deserves the best care. So allow your hair to air dry as often as possible, and when you do use heat tools, always protect your hair with a heat protectant. Lastly, regular trims are a non-negotiable part of healthy hair care. Maintaining a healthy hair routine involves much more than simply shampooing and conditioning. One key step that many of us tend to overlook is regular hair trimming. Some might question the necessity of this, but let me assure you, it is essential for a multitude of reasons. The main purpose of regular trimming is to cut off split ends from your hair. Split ends, as the name suggests, are hair strands that have split into 2 or 3 at the tip. These are usually a consequence of thermal, chemical, and mechanical stress. If left unattended, split ends can travel up the hair shaft, causing further damage, making hair weak, brittle, and frizzy. Trims are like a reset button for the hair. It keeps your hair looking fresh, vibrant, and full of life. The process of cutting off split ends effectively prevents further damage, thus contributing to the overall health of your hair. This is because by trimming those tips, you're essentially removing the damaged parts, which allow your hair to grow healthier, stronger, and even faster. Even if you're one of those who is aiming for Rapunzel-like length, regular trims are a necessity. Why? Because the aim should always be healthy growth. When you regularly trim your hair, you are allowing it to grow without the hindrance of split ends. You should aim for hair that's not just long, but also strong, shiny, and resilient. So remember, regular trims are a must. It's not just about maintaining length, it's about preserving the health and strength of your hair. Even if you're aiming for Rapunzel-like length, regular trims are a must. In summary, the secrets to healthy, shiny hair aren't so secret after all. Hydrate your hair, care for your scalp, nourish your body with hair-healthy foods, limit heat styling, and never skip a trim. Practice these hair care rituals consistently, and you're well on your way to hair that not only looks good but feels great too. Remember, your hair is a reflection of you, so give it the love and care it deserves. Until next time, stay glitzy.